We're back at it again, same property we were at earlier. This is our second run out of here. We got two earlier. I believe these two cars, or one of them at least, is on the right here. There's two. There is two. Hook this next one right here. It's you? Well, they strike moving.
Huh?
They're moving for the pavement. This whole area is blocked off.
Yeah, I'm not moving it today.
Oh, well, it's got to be moved because they're doing the striping.
Oh, they're doing the floor?
Yeah.
So where are you moving it to?
I'm not moving it. It's impounded.
Huh?
It's impounded.
Impounded?
Impounded. That means it's been yanked.
It's been what?
It's been towed.
Towed?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's parked in the work area.
Why
I mean, you can pay it out. It's a $100 drop fee if you want to pay it out. But that's what the property's doing. They're not moving them on property because they got too many cars.
This is my car. This is my apartment.
I know that. I know that. But see, they're working on this area. See, it's cordoned off.
So why do you have to tow my car?
Because they got to work in this area. They got to spray that.
So where are you taking it to?
If you want to pay the drop fee, you can pay the drop fee.
What do you mean pay?
You're gonna have to pay.
For what?
Because it got towed. It got towed.
This is my parking space.
Hey, let me cut this down where you can hear. What's that?
Walk area.
This is the 5th car, not just you. This is number 5, and this was number 6. See this car here?
What do you mean walk area? That's my apartment. I park in front of my apartment.
I know they're redoing the property. I understand. I understand.
So why do you have to pay for it now? I don't know.
Yeah. He didn't order it.
This is my parking space. Why do you have to pay for what?
They gave out notice.
Well, they gave out notice.
I didn't know notice.
Every unit got a notice saying that what day that they was going to blacktop. So everybody's been aware to what day they coming to do.
Yeah.
They did it in portions. They did one side, another side, another. So they let the resident know that on them days, move your car. So, we personally put a letter in everybody's door. Everybody.
Yeah, if you want to pay the drop fee, it's $100. I'm not trying to be mean.
I'm not paying nothing.
I'm gonna tow it out then.
I mean, no.
Okay, I understand. You don't have to pay it. Yeah.
Paying $100 for what?
Because it got yanked. When car got yanked, that's just what happens, man. And I'm not trying to be mean to you. I'm not. Listen. I feel that you got towed, but like you said, they put notices on every door.
I didn't get no notice, so.
Well, they put them on every door.
I didn't get no notice at all, so I can't, no.
Well, listen, hey, everybody else that lives in these units, every single person except this car and your car, everybody else got notified because they notified the whole property. They didn't skip your door.
But I didn't get it.
It was put on your door, I'm sure.
I didn't get it. and I'm always
Yeah.
home. I still
Yeah.
talked to them yesterday. I didn't get no notice from them.
And I'm sorry. I ain't trying to be mean. It's just what I do. Hey, they every property does it different. Some properties will pay us to move them, but the problem with this property is there's so many cars.
Okay, can you just drop it for me now? I can move it away.
You can pay the $100 if you. I've already hooked it.
what?
It's $100. It's just how it's the drop fee.
For what? But you're still here. You're not even. I mean, you've not even moved.
It's on
You're
the
still
truck,
here.
man. It's on the truck. I'm not trying to make it hard on you, make life hard on you.
Yeah, that's
It
what
may
you're
already
doing now.
it may already be hard on you.
That's what. Yes. That's,
My life's not easy either. I promise you, man. I do this kind of
You
work.
can just drop it for me now, and then I'll take it out. Because
I
didn't
can't
know.
drop it because I'm hooked to it.
I didn't have no notice. They didn't give me no notice. I didn't know anything about this.
Well,
I didn't know nothing about this.
unfortunately, I can't drop it. I just can't. You know what I'm saying? I can't drop it.
The party you have called is speaking. How may I help you?
Hi. So my car just got towed now, and they're saying they're working on the floor, the property floor, and they gave everybody notice, which I did not receive any notice, and my car just got towed. But the guy who's
We've been sending out emails for weeks.
I didn't get any notice for this. And it's still here.
Did you get towed?
It's still here. Can you talk to
What-
him to
which
drop
car
my
was yours?
while I move it away, right away?
I don't know who got the
You still here?
How much is it? Where's it go?
Let me give you the address. I got the address right here for you.
You like?
I work at night. I'm not gonna wake up early.
There's
in the
the
morning.
address. Listen, I can't drop your car. She didn't get hers dropped. I can't drop. I'm not going to
I
drop
mean,
it.
you're still here.
That
You're
has
still
to
in front of my
apply.
apartment.
And if
I'm
she
not
would have got
supposed to see
hooked,
my
it's
car. No.
a $100 drop
I'm
fee.
not aware about this.
How much is it to get it then?
It's 175 on property. 175. And hey, the only thing, good thing about
Why
it,
would you over there?
I don't care. You can do that. I mean, I'm not trying to be mean. We talk. You can ride over there with me. I mean, you're being polite and everything else. That's fine. Yeah. Hey, I gotta solve this situation. I gotta go to the office before I leave. I have to go sign out the office, so that's fine. Yeah, just keep an eye. I don't want to leave you.
With the
Okay.
towing vehicle guy, can you talk to him to drop my car while I move it away?
We can't speak to them about that.
So why is that? Because I didn't get no notice about this, and I just got my car towed, and the towing vehicle is still in front of my apartment.
Yeah, I already know that was there, right? Cause I thought it was
So I don't know. What can I do now?
last night. Her sister, her homegirl, like she had no plan to grab shit.
He can tell you all the information that you'll need.
You just need to pay it out. It's a $100 payout, and that's the way the business works. It's hooked.
Even when you're still here with me?
Yeah, it's on property.
When
But
you're still
listen,
in front of my
by Georgia
apartment?
state law, yeah, on property, if it's hooked, it's a $100 drop fee. That's the state law on private property impounds. I'm not trying to force you to pay something. You don't have to pay it, but I'm gonna take the car. So I guess you
I'm
are.
not gonna let you take my car.
Well, it's already got it. But in the meantime, this one's got to go too. And I'm being polite now. I'm being nice as I can be.
This is crazy.
I know it is. I know it's crazy.
Can you drop my car for me?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull up right here. You pay the 100. How do you want to pay it? Card or cash?
Gosh, can you just drop it?
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up right here, and you
No,
can.
You can drop it right on the.
Well, it's got to go from there. You have to pull it over here.
No, I'm taking it out immediately.
Okay, I'll pull over here.
Just go and get
Okay.
money. And
That's fine. Pull over there. I got you. Hey there. How you doing? Is she gonna pay the 100?
On the speak English. What day is the other side? You know?
I'm not sure, to be honest with you. I don't know. You need the office will tell you.
Yes.
Yeah.
My car is the parking in the side.
Hey, I'll tell you what. Hey,
Is it the
park here. Hey, hey, listen. If you park here, They're gonna do this one today,
So,
so you can park
to?
outside. See those? There's a line on the side of the line.
Can you take it down there for me?
Well, I could have done that. Can you drive it over there?
Is there a way
Because
from there?
I have to get that one
It's
there.
literally right that way.
Yeah, it's just right here.
I thought
Yeah,
this
it's
place is blocked. Because that's where, well,
no, it's not blocked because I have to get back out of there too.
yeah, he can move
Yeah,
it.
here's your receipt. I said it's $100. It's not my money, it's company. I'm not, I mean, and it's towing. I know you don't understand it, but it's just how it is. And I'm not trying to, like I said, I appreciate you not getting too mad.
Yeah.
And I try to not set people off either.
You never seen Messenger the money?
I didn't even see no email.
Hey, you got your key?
Yes, she's
I'll back it right here and you can pull it right over there.
To do like the paper notice.
Okay,
I
awesome.
know, understand. Every day is the you see?
There might be some on the side.
Yeah, you should have, yeah, there's parking on this side.
Yeah.
If you go up here and hang a left, you can get out. You'll be fine. We just brought the other young lady back. She was actually really nice. She got her car got towed. She works at night, and she said she didn't. She said she didn't think about the parking this morning. When she got in at 6 o'clock in the morning, she wasn't thinking about it, and she knew there should have been, the car should have been moved. She wasn't mad at all. She was actually really, really nice. And Ruby's gonna pay her out. Let her get out of here. She's got a Camaro sometime. Anyway, we got that Sonata back to the yard, the white one, paid out the burgundy one, and we brought the girl back, the girl who her Camaro got towed by Eugene. He was towing with me over there, but we saw reactions of two different people who had gotten towed. One girl's car was gone, and she approached me. The other lady was trying to talk me out of towing, and she was mad about it, didn't understand it. The other girl showed up with the girl that owned the Camaro, and she said, well, where'd I get my car back? How much is it? And can I get a ride back to the yard? And I told her, yeah, I can give you a ride back to the yard. People act like they got sense, and she knew it wasn't my fault her car got towed. Regardless of who towed it, she knows, and she was very mature about the whole situation. But that's two reactions to two different situations, and everybody reacts differently. Shout out to the girl with the Camaro, man. She was really nice. Gave me a $10 tip for riding her back to the yard. Anyway, peace.